Hi, my name is Elizabeth McFallon, and I am a grade 9 English student in Mrs. Watson's class at Oak Bay High School. These past few weeks, we have been learning how to read and write poetry along with the Aboriginal culture. Today, I will be sharing with you 6 different poems about Aboriginal people's cultures, symbols, and teachings. I hope you enjoy. The first poem I have written is in free verse, and it's called The Hummingbirds' Message. Does the hummingbird know the message it sends as it flies through the garden speaking to his flower friends? Its words of joy spread happiness through all. The farmers grow flowers, some little, some tall. The hummingbird's beauty is breathtaking, to say the least, its wings flapping quickly, never missing a beat. And so the story goes of my hummingbird's message. The words he says shouldn't be questioned, for the hummingbird speaks, not by order, by choice. So the next time you hear the hummingbird's song, listen carefully and find yourself humming along. My next poem is my emotion poem, and it's called Fall in Line. There's miles of land in front of them, and they're dying with every step they take, dying with every breath they make, and they'll fall in line. A stranger's back is all they see. He's only a few feet in front of them, and they'll look left and right sometimes, but they'll fall in line. No one looks up anymore, 'cause you might get a raindrop in your eye, and heaven forbid they see you cry as they fall in line. In this poem, I use the repetition of the words fall in line to represent the fact that the First Nations people were having their culture stripped from them, and they were being forced to use Western culture instead of using their own traditions. My first of 2 haiku poems is about courage, which is one of the 7 grandfather teachings. Courage can conquer fear, overcome the worst feelings, and inspire life. In the first line, I used alliteration, courage can conquer, to capture the reader's attention and make them want to continue reading. My next poem is about another one of the 7 grandfather teachings, love. Love is essential. Let its strength course through your veins, guiding your choices. My 5th poem is called The River, and it's a concrete poem. Flow like the river and have a free spirit like the drum. When you act with a free spirit, the universe will guide you. I use personification in this poem, saying have a free spirit like the drum. Fearless, incredible, remarkable, strong, terrific, nature, astounding, tenacious, iconic, outstanding, nurturing, spiritual, First Nations. I would like to thank Miss Watson for helping me write these poems, Alex Nelson for talking to us about his experiences in the residential schools, and Starla Anderson for sharing her poetry with the class.